Are you famous? What keeps you safe? Good. Are you a pirate? Can you blow a kiss? Can you toot? That's gross. Alright, how about